How to redeem Delta Companion Certificate. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Delta Companion Certificate. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Delta Companion Certificate allows you to fly for free with someone else once a year. While the fair price for the companion ticket is eliminated, you'll still be on the hook for the taxes and fees. These fees won't exceed $80 for domestic flights and won't go higher than $250 on international tickets. If you have existing credits to your Delta account, you can apply them toward the primary ticket fare as well as the taxes and fees for either ticket. Head over to Delta's website and log into your account. Once you're in, hover your mouse over the Sky Miles menu on the top and you will see this menu appear. By clicking on Certificates and e-credits, you will be brought to a page that contains all of your unused tickets, e-credits, and any companion certificates loaded into your account. Choosing the certificate loaded into your account will show more details about the certificate, such as its number and the classes of service where it's eligible. In the next steps, you will be able to check the availability for specific flights. The next screen looks very much like the normal flight search that you might be used to. The search will be preset to 2 passengers. Depending on your certificate, you'll be able to choose main cabin, comfort, plus, or first class. Once you click search, you will be able to see if a flight is available in the class of seat you select. Once you select the flights and add them to your cart, the price you will have to pay including the discount offered by the companion pass will display. Simply pay with either e-credits or your American Express Delta Sky Miles card and your ticket will be issued and redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem Delta Companion Certificate. If you found the tutorial helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.